It's very simple, guys. It's really not complicated to pose, guys. You pretty much want something natural. Guys like hanging stuff, hanging on the wall, on the window, looking away from the camera. I'm going to show you some poses that from weddings and scenes that I've shot, and we're going to comment on them. Let me share one picture here. So this is one of them. All right. So pretty much natural light here. I still just have a little bit of field flash on the left here, right? So he's looking towards the light, the natural light that's coming in there. So, and that crop, that is intentional. The crop and the little bit of tilt is intentional, right? I shot wide with no crop, and then I like being creative with my composition, which is something we're going to talk about in another day. Composition, I like getting creative with that, but I really like that feel that he's buttoning up his jacket and he's looking out. At least for me it looks very natural, and all you do is, hey, can you stand here? Let's unbutton the second button now, and you're gonna hold and to look over, look outside, look towards the light over there, and he's looking and I'm shooting, and I just go like, okay, stop right there, and boom, 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 take 2 or 3 shots, take one looking at me, one looking outside, one looking to the other side, then you have that. All right, that's a very laid back pose and really not complicated to do, very easy. There's nothing there that will be complicated. Okay,